Dear friend, have you ever felt that you could achieve more than what you currently have right now? You felt there's a hidden power within you that was ready to be unleashed, but you just didn't know the formula to unlock it. You were so aware that you're not living your life to your full potential, and you wish you could do so. You craved to achieve greatness in life. You envied other people's successes and wondered, why couldn't it be me? If this is what you've been feeling, then pay attention. You're about to discover the secrets to help you take the first step to a legendary life. You're about to go from ordinary to extraordinary, achieve excellence and mastery in the area of your choosing, and lead a successful and fulfilling life. And if you're not convinced that you could achieve greatness, pay close attention to this quote. Some are born great, others achieve greatness. This is a quote from the world's greatest dramatist and writer in the English language, William Shakespeare. It means each and every one of us can achieve greatness if we are willing to take the first step and do the necessary work. And today, you'll be handed down the exact steps to create your own path to greatness. Mark your calendar right now. Today will be the turning point in your life. You're going to plunge into the path of personal greatness. What you're about to discover are the keystone habits and strategies that will allow you to catapult your life to a whole new stratosphere. You'll discover how to unlock your true potential and achieve all the goals you set in life. I personally use these same strategies to achieve all my goals, lead a happy, fulfilling, and satisfying life. And I believe that you too can achieve the same positive results. Your path to greatness starts here. Introducing Wired for Greatness: How to Start Living a Legendary Life. Wired for Greatness is the ultimate guide that shows you how to rewire your brain for greatness. You'll soon discover that greatness can be cultivated by anyone with the right strategies. With this guide made available, now you can take the first step to live your own legacy. Greatness is not about becoming extremely wealthy, red carpet famous, or creating world-changing impacts. Greatness is about achieving excellence in important areas of your life, your career, personal relationships, or business. If you don't want to settle for mediocrity and wish to upgrade your life to the next level, this blueprint will help you answer your own personal calling of greatness. Here are the things that you will discover in this transformational program. What is a legendary life, and how can you start living one? How to spot where the problems are in your life and how to design a plan for change. How to improve your physical health. How to improve your mental health. How to recognize negativity in your life and how to take steps to avoid it. How to change your attitude for the better. How to identify your own talents and recognize how you can use them to benefit yourself and others. How you can change your mindset to embrace positivity. How to recognize the things that matter most in life. How to be true to yourself so you can exploit your full potential in all aspects of life. And much more waiting to be uncovered inside. This is the golden key for those who want to live life on their own terms, achieve excellence in all areas of their life, upgrade their life to the next level, go from ordinary to extraordinary, develop unstoppable confidence, rewire your brain and settle for nothing less than greatness. So here's the good news. You get Wired for Greatness at a low one-time investment. Just know that this ultimate blueprint is worth so much more than what I'm offering you right now, but I'll only be charging you a tiny fraction of its total value. The best part? You will transform your life to the next level with all the proven strategies revealed in this guide. All you have to do from here onwards is to apply what you learned from Wired for Greatness for the next 30 days. And if you fail to see any improvements in your life, just return your order within 30 days for a full refund. Fair enough? You have my word on it. But wait, that's not all. If you get Wired for Greatness right now, you'll get these bonuses. Bonus 1, a complete checklist. This checklist contains a step-by-step action plan for you to make sure you get the full benefits of Wired for Greatness. By simply breaking up one huge topic into easily digestible chunks, you get absolute clarity inclusive of easy-to-follow action steps. Bonus number 2, a comprehensive mind map. This mind map is perfect for visual learners. It outlines everything you're going to discover throughout the entire course. With just a glance, you'll have a clear picture of what to expect and absorb so much more than reading through Wired for Greatness by pages. You get all the bonuses absolutely free only if you act today. At this point, if you choose to do nothing, Your life will remain the same as where you are right now. There's nothing exciting to share with your friends and families. There's nothing to look forward to other than leading a mediocre life. Instead of doing nothing, why not take advantage of our offer? I've explained how Wired for Greatness can help you unlock your truest potential, achieve extraordinary things in your life, and become the best in your field. Plus, if by 30 days you don't like what you get from Wired for Greatness, you can ask for 100% of your money back. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose by getting this offer. So why wait? Click the order button below right now before the price goes up.